Hey guys, today we're going to discuss something about power of association. How many of you believe in the concept or the proverb called you are what you are connected with, you are what you are associated with? I personally believe in that concept because right since our school days and teenage and adult period, you are tend to make decisions by your peers, right? Your peers, your colleagues, your friends actually have influence, force, and they have a lot of suggestion towards your routine. For example, during our school days, I don't watch cricket matches. I'm not very keen about it. But people talk lot about sports person, lot about cricket match analysis during the lunch breaks. Just because I wanted to be part of that conversation, I used to watch cricket and trying to be part of that conversation so that I can ensure that I'm also part of their team. Then you move to the college, people even talk about celebrities and they do talk about politics, right? I'm not very keen about celebrities, I'm not very keen about politics as well. So just because I wanted to be part of the conversation, I started learning these areas. I started watching all these movies and also trying to learn something about politics just to be part of the conversation. So what happens? Your association makes you to learn something. Your association makes you to think and work towards certain things, right? Because you wanted to be part of that association. Then you get into corporate life just to buy a mobile, right? If at all you are focused too much about buying an Android phone, people tell there is a flaws, there is ups and downs which happens in Android. Why don't you move towards iOS? Then there is a change in your decision, then you work towards buying an iPhone, right? Because your peers have a lot of contribution towards your simple decision or even the major decision that you wanted to take in your life. There are majority of the time we talk, we behave because our associations are tend to make us to do such kind of behaviors. And for example, I wanted to develop my connectivity. I want to develop my language. I want to develop my entrepreneurship journey. I have a lot of focus, mission, vision in my life. If at all I'm not connected with the people who are not thinking or even walking towards in the same way, then it will become very difficult for me. For example, you want to learn English and you are not connected with people, you are not associated with people who wanted to contribute towards your English learning. They don't speak, they don't work towards English, which means it becomes a trouble for you, right? You wanted to become a very big entrepreneur, you want to make a lot of money, you want to become a millionaire. If you are not connected or associated with somebody who's already a millionaire or who's trying to achieve that million in their life, if you are not connected or associated with them, you don't know the path, you don't know the destination, how they actually arrived at point of time. And I personally wanted to develop my training career, so I need to be associated with a lot of trainers who have already achieved a lot of things in training areas. I need to work, I need to do a lot of research, and I need to be part of a lot of forums so that I can learn how this training industry works, right? So if at all you have a goal, vision, mission, you have many things in your life, if your association is not connected towards your focus, your goal, your objectives, then definitely it is not possible. You will keep diverting yourself from one place to other place, from one situation to other situation, from one task to other task. You will never be able to focus and start working towards it. Your association needs to contribute towards your objectives. It is not possible always. You cannot expect all your association to work towards your goal, to focus towards your objectives. But you can choose your priorities. You can be very particular in choosing your friends or your association in terms of developing a career, also to contribute for your greater objectives. Think about this association. Definitely, the more you develop your association in the right way, that will help you for your own betterment. Think about it and work on it. Thanks and cheers.